Samsung Galaxy A21 smartphone was launched on 8th April 2020. The phone comes with 6.5 inches touchscreen display. Samsung Galaxy A21 comes with 3 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy A21 runs Android 10 and powered by 4000 mAh non-removable battery. The Samsung Galaxy A21 supports 15-watt fast charging system. As far as the camera are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy A21 on the rear packs of 16 megapixel primary camera and second 8 megapixel camera and the third 2 megapixel camera and fourth 2 megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 13 megapixel camera in front of selfies. Samsung Galaxy A21 based on Android 10 and packs 32 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 512 GB. Connectivity options of the Samsung Galaxy A21 include Wi-Fi and GPS. Sensor on the phone included fingerprint sensor.